Okay, hello guys, my name is Sasimi and I will tell you how to make a REST API with Laravel. So in this video, we will need XAMPP, we need Composer, NPM and Visual Studio Code to make Laravel project. I already make a video how to make Laravel project, you can see. I will get a video in here. And then we need Postman, so it's for manipulations API. In my assumptions that you already make a Laravel project and you already installing a Postman, if you need a video to install Postman, please comment in the comment section below. So we'll come to the second step, configure env. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna change the database. What we need, we can change the database name. So like me, I will make API. So it's just the name. If you're gonna change the API name to other like REST API, API for sales, and something like that is up to you. After we make, we can come to the local host, PHP myadmin, make a new. So my name is API because in env I use API and we have our local database. So now we will make a model migration and controller to our project. So what we will do, PHP artisan make model. Your model name, for me I'm using sales because this is my case, min CMR. So they will make a model, also migration. Also make a controller. Okay, next we're gonna make the migrations. You can come to database, migrations, and come to your, like me, cells. What we need to do, we will config what the data we will insert to our database. Okay, so this is my attribute that we'll insert to my database. Okay, we will do configurations at controller. You can come to app, http controllers and your name controller. There is some index create and some functions that you will need to insert. Don't forget they must be used your model's name, and then I will just copy the syntax inside the functions. Okay, first is index. It will show you all the data. So the syntax is return cells all. Okay, second I use is a create. If you want to make a data, you can use these functions. So I don't use a store, show, edit. I'm using update, so it was for updating data. They need ID, and the last one is destroy, is for delete data. Okay, next step we're gonna configurations the root. So you can come to the roots and come to API. So we will make the root. So this is the roots that we will need. First is for index, create, update, and destroy. You can just see the syntax. The last thing we're going to configure is our models. So when we are doing a query, there will be, so when you query, defaultly there will be a timestamps. So what we do, we make it false. So when we do the query, the timestamps will be false. Okay, after all the clear, you can do PHP artisan migrate for migrating your data to database. You can check in your local host, just refresh, and you see API. Okay, the data is already in your database. What we will do now, we can test it. PHP artisan serve. We will see if the API can run. So this is the page when you run your Laravel project, but what we need to do, you can write your API link. You can come to the API root. You see there is a cells. So API cells. Okay, you see there is empty. So if you're gonna test it, you can add some data in your local. can do some query. Like me, I'm gonna try to insert the data. Okay, is the name. Okay, how much, and then how the price, and go. Okay, we can try to refresh, and you see they already show the data. We will try to using our Postman. So what we will to do, we will click this plus, and then we can get the URL, and then we will try send. Okay, you see there is our data. We can already open it on the Postman. We will try the next one is update. So we will do pause, and then we can try to change. Click the body, choose XWWW form URL encoded. So you can type the key. Let me, I'm using nama pelanggan, jumlah barang, and total harga. Okay, I can insert the value is like ZF 20, and okay, I will try to send. Okay, data has been created, so I already make the data. I can try to refresh. Okay, and you see I already post my data. I'm gonna try to update it. So what we will to do, we will need an ID, which when the data we will gonna update. So we can try this one, and what the data we will change. The first data is Faiz. I gonna change this to lol. We will send. Data has been updated, so the Faiz will change to the lol. Okay, you see it changed. And the last one we're gonna try to delete. So what the data we're gonna delete, I will delete the second one. Send. Data has been deleted. We will check it, refresh, and okay, the second data is already deleted. So guys, that's how to you make API with Laravel and do manipulations with Postman. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. So thank you. See you in the next video.